Hi guys, I'm Mikey. Welcome back to another video. Now, many businesses often need a client portal, but it often takes time to create. Often you have to design it in Figma, and then you have to build it, send it to a developer to build it, or you're using tools such as Notion or ClickUp or similar tools or Asana, and they take a lot of time to build and prepare. What if you could go from idea to work and prototype in under 15 minutes? Well, in this video, I'm going to do exactly that using MagicPath, a design tool that's focused on creating quick and interactive prototypes that you can then share, or you can then take the code and actually develop it as well. If you haven't used MagicPath before, MagicPath is an AI-powered design tool. Imagine like Figma and ChatGPT or Figma and Cursor had a baby. So to get started, simply what you need to do is you can double click to create a component, and the component will appear here, and you'll have this little panel on the right side where you can chat with the AI, and the AI will help you to build whatever you want to build. Now, what do you need in a client dashboard? Well, you need somewhere you can manage the projects. You need to have like some sort of filtering where you can manage like projects that are due in a certain date. You also need to have an activity feed, maybe a list of pending tasks and approvals. So I've got my prompt here below. But what I'm going to do before I submit this prompt is I'm going to say to MagicPath, what do we need if we want to build a client portal? Please check the prompt below and give me feedback. Do not implement this yet. And what it's going to do is actually going to conversate with me like ChatGPT would without actually using any credits or components. So that's what I'm going to do. And I'm also going to select a design system afterwards so we can design it in a nice and professional looking manner. I'm going to paste that. Okay, it says your prompt is clear and well structured. Consider specifying if you want profile info, notifications, or sidebar navigation for even better usability. Proceed when you are. So what I'm going to do, I'm actually going to copy this prompt, and I'm actually going to add, it needs to have a sidebar, navbar. Okay, so I'm going to paste this, and I'm going to say put a sidebar navbar, and then I'm going to click on the design system, and I'm going to choose Claude. I think Claude looks quite nice and professional. And by the way, these design systems you can use here, these ones you can use for free. And if you click on Manage Design Systems, you can see they all have different themes and different styles that are like similar to how you would style a ShadCN component or section. As you can see, you've got all the different colors for the different use cases, and you can see how it's going to be styled in different sort of components here as well. So let me just paste this and see what it builds. And in MagicPath, as you can see, it's planning it, and you can actually see a live preview of what it's actually going to build when it starts to build it as well. So you can see it says planning design, creating client portal dashboard, and it'll slowly go through all the steps needed and build it out for us. Yep, as you can see a visual preview of what it's building, and it will continue to go through like this, and you continue to update it as it's doing here until it's finished building. MagicPath is now finished with the initial generation, and you can see what we have here. We have this nice looking dashboard page, and we have this sidebar that we asked for as well. We got projects, completed tasks, pending approvals, budget utilization, team members, average duration. You can actually make some visual edits using this pen tool here. And let's say you want to edit this, and you can change things like the content. You can also change the font. So let's say we wanted to use Inter. As you can see, it's changed to Inter. Then we can press save, and it will update as well. And we can also change like the colors. We can change the icons by prompting it. When you click on it, you can prompt as well. So you can click on this, and then if you want to change it, you can prompt it here. But what I'm actually going to do is that I'm actually going to make this submit new request functional. So I'm going to come back into the chat, I'm going to say, let's make the submit new request button functional. I'm going to actually ask it, what should the pop-up modal have? Great question. The modal should include fields of request, title, description, project selection, priority, file upload, and submit cancel button for a smooth enterprise-friendly experience. Okay, let's add it. So implement this. And just chatting it with it again, didn't use any credits as well. So now it's going to implement this, and let's see what it comes up with. MagicPath is now finished with its generation, and if you come up here and we actually click on this button here, submit new request, as you can see it comes up with a modal with the relevant fields like we said. So now I actually want to create this projects page, and we're going to prompt it. But before we continue, just notice how everything is styled in the Claude design system we chose. Everything's styled using the orange and the black and the cream off-white colors as well. And I'm going to prompt here, build out the projects page, include necessary views, and make sure we can create a new project. Give the create project button this similar styling and functionality to the submit new request feature. I'm just going to paste that, and it should create the projects page using the same styling and the same kind of layout as this page here. And MagicPath is now finished generating. We've got our new projects page, and we have this button here. Let's actually open this in a new tab by clicking this button. As you can see, we have this in a new tab. It looks really nice, really clean and professional. And if we go to our new projects page, we can click on this. It has a similar sort of modal as the other button from the dashboard page, and it's quite detailed. You can add a description, budget, objectives. You can also add team members, project tags, upload documents, add additional notes, which is good. Now, when you finish prototyping something like this, you can actually click on this and click on the view code, and you can download the code base. You can also open in cursor as well by using this command in your terminal. So yeah guys, that was a quick demonstration of how you can prototype a client portal under 15 minutes. It's really useful if you want to create a client portal for your team, for your business, without having to worry about who's going to develop it, what tool or platform should I use to build it on. You can simply come into MagicPath, prototype it quickly, and then open it in cursor or send it to a developer to help you prototype and add the functionality for you. So thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.